segmental retaining walls are the best value for your real estate. Why are segmental retaining walls better? It's a flexible wall system. Think of concrete or a block wall system as a windshield. Once it develops a crack, it fails. We use interlocking blocks, geogrid, and a French drain behind the wall. This system prevents hydraulic pressure from pushing it over or cracking the wall. The walls can install quickly. Once the demolition is finished and the footer installed, the speed of the wall installation will save time and money. Easy and done, no worries. How are segmental walls built? First, the area is excavated, then a footer is installed, and then the wall is erected. It is being backfilled. How are seating walls built? We usually build them on the base of the patio install. What makes us better than the rest? We use technology to give a better product, online and on-site. We use machines to lay the blocks to save labor and give you a better quality job. Train craftsmen using good equipment. Let us walk you through how we work together. Important information we need is 1. Address of project. 2. Project scope. 3. Photos of current space and inspiration images. 4. A day and time. You can meet for an online Zoom call. On the Zoom call, we will get a lot done. We will review your photos and use satellite imagery of your property to see the area and measure with precision. We import the overhead images into our hardscape design software. In the design software, we will begin to create a layout while you watch. From that design, within moments, we can provide costs for you budget. We use the photos you send across reference the online maps. Don't worry, you don't have to be a picture pro. We can do the Zoom call with you anywhere. You don't have to be at home. We focus on hardscape, including pavers, walls, patio, and synthetic turf. While we are there, we can help with drainage, grading, landscaping, and demo. Our paid online mapping service makes measuring a breeze and accurate. Design software. While we are on the Zoom call, we will share our screen with you and collaborate to build you badass outdoor space. Within minutes, you'll see your new outdoor space. Once we talk about material, we can talk about budget. Budgeting. Our design software will provide a preliminary budget. Usually, we can close job and send a contract immediately. Sometimes projects will require a site visit to finalize before sending out a contract. Contact us now for exceptional pavers installation services.